Um, Good afternoon. So this is Group C, and our project that we worked on was a human resource management website. So this website is typically a software application that enables organizations to manage their HR functions electronically. So I'll be giving an overview. First of all, this is our homepage. This is how it looks like, and the video at the corner, the company introduction. So when we play the video, it typically tells us what to expect when we log into the website itself. And also our website only allows the administrator to log in, because the administrator is the one to add employees, remove employees, and manage the payroll and all that. So for now, let's first play a bit of the video so that we get a bit of an overview of everything to expect.
People are essential to the success of any organization. HR professionals play a pivotal role in how successful an organization is, and good human resource management is essential for businesses of all sizes. Hi, I'm Eric from AIHR, and in this video you'll learn what human resource management, or HRM, is, how it originated during the two world wars, its key activities, how successful HR professionals make an impact on their business, and some trends that we're seeing right now. However, before we start, smash that like.
So the video, conclusion of the entire video, it tells us what the website is all about, why it was created in the first place, and how it works. So like a small history. So this thing was basically created during World War II, where all the men went into war and the ladies were left behind. So the first people who used this, they used it like to give ladies jobs, and the first jobs ladies got to using this system was makeup. So that's all about that. So our company introduction says it all. Human resource management involves the strategic handling of personnel within a company organization to enhance its competitive edge. The aim is to optimize employee performance to support the achievement of employers' fundamental goals. And then this gives us the location of where we are. So our website is called Intelligent Tech Staffing Consultants, and it's located in Ginger, right here at Bell Avenue. In case you get lost, it's at National Water. As I say, the administrator is the only one to log in. So click that. And then this is the login page. This is how it appears, the username, the password, and then you log in. And if you're not a member, you create a new account. So let's log in. So after logging in, after a successful login, you come to the dashboard, and the dashboard typically contains modules, that is the whatever we are seeing here. And then it has where you can add stuff, where the administrators they want to add. So right now we have 3 administrators, 4 departments, and the employees are 2. But we could also add an employee from here. So we have me and Isaac is one of the group members as the employees. So you could view their profile. So when you view their profile, it goes to employee. How it is here, this is his personal profile. So it has the first name, last name, mobile, gender, department, language, account, and the bank. So we deposit his payroll here. And then to go back, I'll give you just something small about every module that we have. So our modules, we have employee. So this is where we add, you could add here. Every employee you add appears here. Like this is the what they call it, the database, like where they're stored. So it also takes in attendance. The time is signed in. The administrator is in charge of logging you in and logging you out. This module, go back to our dashboard, which is here, is the leave. So when we go to leave, another module, this one shows like when you take a leave from your workplace. So This is the day you're starting your leave, the day you're ending your leave. This shows whether your leave was approved, unapproved, or declined, and then here you enter the employee who is taking the leave. That's about the leave. Then the departments, the different departments that work under this company. The human resource, so far we have 4 departments: computer science, finance, marketing, and procurement. So when I go to computer science, the employees working under computer science is this employee. So you could view their profile and it will show this, the next of kin and all that. So this is the employee ID, employee 526. And then under department, we also have others like finance, marketing, and procurement. So each department has a different employee. Yeah, so that's simple overview of our system. So the rest of my group mates will take you through a deeper view of everything.
Okay, so I'm going to explain how the system runs. First, we have the dashboard module, and this one displays the administrators with a number, the departments available in the business, and then the number of the employees available. Next, we have the employee module. So the employee module displays the employees who work for that organization. And in case I want to add a new employee, I select new staff. So first field, first name, I fill in the first name, last name, mobile number, the email address. Emergency is for the contact of, this is for a contact of a next of kin for the employee. Then the salary, this is a salary the employee will be receiving monthly. Then gender is for the gender of the employee. Department is the department in the organization for which the employee works for. So bank is bank field. This one is for the money, the bank to which the salary will be deposited to. Next is the account number, which is the account number of the employee. Then we have the languages spoken by the employee. Select English or Uganda. Since we're in Uganda, and those are the major languages spoken. Next, thumb is for filling in an image of the employee. And then when we have finalized that, we go to add employee, and a new employee will be added into the system. Next, we have the attendance module. So this one is for keeping track of the attendance of each employee, whether they've attended or they are absent. So in case you want to fill here, the date is April 22nd, Mukisa, and present. But since we've already registered that Mukisa is present, we can't register again, and it shows that the duration for which Mukisa attended from. She attended from 8/9 to 8/9. So next we have the leave module, and this one is for giving employees leaves, and it's for selecting how long the leave will last, the starting date to the time it will end, whether it has been approved or declined, or it's unapproved is for in case the employee hasn't really made the final decision. This select the employee. So next we have the department module. And this one shows the departments available in the organization. And in case I want to select a new department, I go to new department. I add a name for the department. Let me choose department of medicine. I provide a brief background. So I go to add department. Yes, and the department has been added into the system. So next we have the recruitment module. So this one is in case an employer sent an online application or has applied online. So here to display the information of the employee, display the information the employer has provided and whether the manager has approved it or not. So next we have the payroll. The payroll majorly focuses on salary, and now these are the given fields: image, first name, last name, and the account number is hidden out for security reasons. Then we have the bank to which the money will be deposited to, the salary the employee will receive. So in case the manager wants to accept the salary and pay, presses pay, and it shows that yes, the transaction has successfully been approved.
So I'm going to be talking about the part of the back end of the of our system. And as you can see, we took an object-oriented approach because, well, our language is mostly object-oriented. As you see, we have a class for one employee, for his next of kin, the attendance, the leave, and the recruitment, each one of them having their own characteristics as described in the system, as you've seen my colleagues represent, the languages, the gender, and everything. The models, well, they mostly contain what's going to be in the database about every character in our system. And then we have the views, which are going to be the middleman between the templates, which are the interface for the user, and then the database, which is through models. The views are supposed to receive requests from the templates, and then they are supposed to grant information to the templates from the database for the models. And as you can see, the views with all its URLs getting all this information, like the register view, as you can see, it sends information to the register.html, which is one of our templates. But getting, and then the data that's got from the model is registered in the HTML itself. As you can see, we have a view for every template because all of these templates run on data. So every template that we have has its own view, its own view module.
Yeah, so basically I'm going to talk about the part of the database. So for the database, we create our databases using the models.py. Yeah, since our project is kind of complex, we use MySQL as our database tool. Yeah, so to render MySQL, we used XAMPP server. Yeah, so this XAMPP server, the XAMPP has different components, different modules. So we chose to use the MySQL to help us create the database and then it's able to store our different modules and different classes. So as you see, we use the models.py. So the different tables that we use classes. So as you see, the class index has the different attributes. Like for the class, it's status, date, the stuff, and everything. Yeah. So we use the models.py to create the different attributes of the database. So after creating each class, you have to run a command in our command prompt, which is make migrations after creating each class, so that the class is created in our database table. So yeah, so as you see in our settings for PY, is that the name of our database is called HRMS. Yes, so that is the name of our database. Yeah, so we use the XAMPP control panel to enable us to create our databases. Since MySQL is kind of a complex, it can't run alone. So we need to run it as an independent server. So we use the XAMPP to help us do that.